guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Y-3 Grip High. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly with the channel. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's go. Oh, and thank you to our subscribers. I mean, that was a given. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Y-3 Grip High, and we've got this in the UK size 8. It's a European 42 or the French 42, and it's a US 8.5. We've got this in the cool white, black, cool white colorway. And again, we are able to review a pair of Y-3s. For those that are unfamiliar with Y-3, Y-3 is the brainchild. It is the fashion house from Yamamoto, probably one of the greatest Japanese designers of all time. And you're looking for that original tech fit, the box wavy robe fits. That's Y-3. That just reminds me of Y-3 personally. And again, that fashion house has just been so influential when it comes to Japanese design and in fashion as a whole. So let's get unboxing. So this comes with a dust bag with the Y-3 logo, another pair of laces, flat white laces. We'll show you the main laces when we get to this main body of the sneaker. But before, I'll just show you the little gifts that you're given with this sneaker. And here it is, the Grip High. I mean, the way that it looks like is like GR.1P. Essentially, it's grip. Well, I like the look of this sneaker. It gives me a lot of chunky sneaker vibes. Drop the box there. Let's put it away. Yeah, so as I mentioned before, this gives me that chunky trainer feel, the chunky sneaker vibe. It looks proper premium. Obviously, that's what you expect when you purchase something from Y-3. And I mean, Jeff told me this reminded him of a boxing shoe. Personally, this reminds me of the Adidas Pro model, you know, the high version of this Superstar. But I can totally see where Jeff's coming from, because this looks like something back in the day, like Muhammad Ali must have worn this. Well, he didn't wear this specifically, but he must have worn something similar to this. Getting ahead of myself, let's get into look at these little details that the sneaker has, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see all this traction padding here. And what's great is, I mean, it's pretty grippy as it is. You can tell why it's called the Grip High, because it extends all the way past the midsole unit, I guess, and onto the main body of the sneaker on the uppers. Not to forget about the midsole. This midsole is an EVA midsole. I mean, you can't go wrong with an EVA midsole. It's been used on a lot of sneakers and a lot of shoes, in fact. And it's there for your comfortability, you know, it's there for the molding of the underside of your feet. The upper, so just underneath the extended rubber, you can see here, is a premium leather. It's very nice premium feel as well. It's not supple and soft, but you've got that. You can see the tumbled effect right around the sneaker here. The toe box, so again, it's just more of that outsole just extended right there into the toes. Free stripe, famous in that black as well. It reminds me of an Adidas Superstar, or as I mentioned before, the Pro model, just there. And you can see the mesh parts right here around the ankle support, very nicely padded, and it is leather on the inside of this ankle as well. Y-3 logo, that's on the lateral side of the sneaker. Lacing system is a typical lacing system. You know, the laces that I pulled out earlier, I don't see any difference. They're just normal flat lacing, flat white laces even. They just look the same to me. Personally, I feel like they just gave you the spare version of what's already on the sneaker itself. Tongue, again, as I said, nicely padded. You can see the mesh underneath here as well. Leather paneling at the top, plush on the inside, similar to the ankle support that I mentioned before. around the heel, nothing to go home and brag to your mother about, but you can see the Y-3 logo on the heel. That's right there, extended from the outsole again. And the leather cuts here as well, just that nice supple leather, tumbled effect, beautiful. And again, you can just see the mesh as well. On the insole, now what I love about the Y-3 insoles is that the footbed is very foam. It looks like it molds to the underside of your feet. It's very premium. Again, you are paying the big bucks for Y-3 sneakers. With all that said, I can't wait to try these on. I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna be a bit taller because this, I mean, look at the midsole unit here, it's massive. And that's, you know, disregarding the rubber that's extended. And again, this gives me premium vibes. This looks like a very luxury sneaker, something from Rick Owens or Balenciaga, of that ilk. Speaking of which, I mean, Adidas have done a collaboration with Balenciaga. So depending on how you feel about Balenciaga, I mean, the sneakers there are just wild, and that fashion show itself, it was wild. I'm getting ahead of myself. You know what, just roll that footage of me trying these on. These are really comfortable, guys. I mean, I didn't expect anything less from a sneaker that's very expensive. These are really cool on as well, let's be honest. Very grippy, you know. You've got a lot of rubber on the outsole. And I mean, they go well with the joggers I'm wearing. I got these from Uniqlo. These are, I want to call them the parachute ones. I don't think they sell these anymore because this was right from a couple of years ago. But if you're looking for that kind of ilk and vibe from, in regards to your joggers, go Uniqlo. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.